Boom, bam. Y'all ain't mess with me and it's Pretty Little Things. Hey y'all, so today is day 23, which means it's Vlogmas day 23. 2 more days until Christmas. And so today I will be doing a Pretty Little Things haul. This is my very first time ever purchasing anything from Pretty Little Things, so let's get into it. Don't mind that box right there, that's my Fashion Nova. That haul coming up too. Anyway, I'm just gonna rip it open like that. So I just got a few pieces. First, we have these leather pants. They're in color, I think camel. I think that's the color. But these are the pants. Right here, and the end split like so. Hold on, where is that? Split like that.
My God! Wow!
Don't mind my sick, disgusting sister. Anyway, look at this. The pants is like this, and I got these in a size large. Yeah, and I got a size 12 large. So next we have I think about the same thing, but in the color black. Yeah, basically some more leather pants in the color black. That don't smell good. That don't smell good at all. I got it in size large as well. That don't smell good. Then I have a just a t-shirt dress. Or either a t-shirt. I really don't know what it is. Let's see. Yeah, it's an oversized t-shirt. And I got this in a size a 12, whatever that is. At this point, I don't know what I bought. I don't know what size I bought. I think I was just trying to buy things because I had a little sale. So, well, they had a little sale. So now I have this hoodie. I love this hoodie too, y'all. It's like so simple, but so cute. I have this hoodie in size large with the, look at it. It has the name of it on it. It has hoodie on it. I'm wearing a hoodie that says hoodie. A Pretty Little Things hoodie. And I can't wait to wear it. I'm probably about to wear it in a minute because I'm about to go get my nails done. But yeah. And I think I got that in a size large. I got it in an extra large. And then I have the pants to match it. The pants to match. Joggers. They say joggers. Joggers, they say joggers. Look at these. Okay, I can wear them. If you wrap your pants around your neck like so, you can wear them. Okay. I got these in a size extra large as well, but I really thought I got a size large. Don't know where that came from. So now, yeah, I think they split my order up because it's not all my stuff. And then I got this cute little dress. I got this cute little dress right here. I might wear this tonight because we're supposed to be having a little girls' night out. This cute. With some boots and my little cute white parts. Ooh, it's a fit. It's a fit. It's a fit. Anyway, back series. She weird. My sister, she weird. She's smelling. And then we have these, like, Pretty Little Things. Where are my things? Where's my entire order? I thought I had everything. I thought I had everything. I don't have everything. And I got these regular smuggler skim light shorts right here. Right there. I got these in the size extra large. They don't look like them. Pretty Little Things, where is my stuff? Where is my stuff? I spent over $300. Does that look like $300 worth? Does that look like $300 worth? Because to me, it don't. You know what? Hold that thought. Let me check my phone. Well, I guess let's split my package up in two. Because I spent $321.96. I did not receive this little dress right here. I didn't receive this pretty dress right here. This shirt. This other shirt. This two-piece outfit. This two-piece outfit. These pajamas. Another two-piece outfit. Another two-piece outfit. Some high-waisted shorts. A beautiful sweatshirt. And a whole nother two-piece outfit. Okay. So I guess I'm going to turn this to a vlog. So next time y'all see me, I should be at the nail shop. Boom, bam. Y'all ain't mess with me and this Pretty Little Things. Watch me top it off with these Sheen glasses. Alright, for real, I'm about to go get my nails done. So y'all can't see me, but I just took some pictures. Look, double whammy. Oh, look at that girl. Look at that girl. Oh, look at that girl. She look cute tonight. She look cute tonight. Yeah, I really hate that I had to turn this video into a vlog. But then again, I love it. But we on our way to the nail shop. It's 6.
They close.
50. Hopefully, the light. Okay. Hopefully they love us so much that they just squeeze us in. Look.
I ain't got no man.
Look, all I need is my fill in. That's it. That's it. That's all. Oh Lord. Oh Lord. It looks dark. There's cars there. What side you want to go on?
They closed, baby. I'm gonna let you walk in first.
I'm about to call and be like, y'all got time for a fill in? Watch, I'm about to say, y'all got time for a fill in, friend? Okay, hello. They gonna do it because they love us. They love us. They do for us. They do for us. They do for us. Look at my teeth. Look, my little toothbrush is working a little bit. Girl, get out. Ah, my phone. Oh, Lord. Oh, Lord, not my phone. Yeah, is it true that the iPhone 12 Pro Max can't crack? Because the boy told me that at work. Okay, look at her waiting. I heard he was looking for me. Bitch, here I go.
Walking in the black.
Okay. If y'all didn't already, y'all need to go like my picture on Instagram. Period. I'm so dark. Anyway, let's go see my parents. Hello. Let's see my parents. Say hey there. Hello.
What's up? You haven't watched you all day on TikTok.
Look. Say hey there.
Peace. Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas, baby. Now, you text when that wasn't me because I thought you passed gas in people's place.
I know you did.
Who that is?
Hey, D.
What's up, babe?
Hey, D.
Hey, babe.
I did.
Oh, no.
Hey, D.
No. You ain't got me. God damn it.
Hold on. Let me just get you.
No, man. Okay.
Let me
Now
get
come
you.
here.
Let me get you hiding.
No, please.
Go ahead. At least hide it.
No.
Good idea.
Did you hide? Did you?
God damn it, baby. Okay, stop. Oh, my God. You got me.
Okay, D. We good.
The camera facing the whole way.
It's me.
She got me for real.
She
Yes.
got you hand on your head.
You got me at all.
No, I do. I got
Hand on
you.
your head.
Oh, my God. I don't want to see me on the goddamn anything happening for you.
D. Chill, D.
No, I'm serious.
Chill, D. Y'all, she crazy.
Oh, my God.
They can hear you, did you? Oh, God. Did you remind me of a rat? I seen a rat do that before.
What?
Yeah. How the rats be running on the wheel.
No, I think she about to pass out, y'all. Yes, still here you need. Damn. Check her out. Check her out. Check her out. Check her out. So y'all, we're not going out no more because Diamond, my sister, want to be sick. So, yeah. So yeah, I think I'm gonna go to Walmart to find some cookie cutters. But yeah, I think I'm gonna go to Walmart so I can bake some cookies tonight, which will probably be on tomorrow's vlog. I don't know yet. Okay, hey y'all. So I'm just gonna go ahead and close out this vlog so I can get it like get it edited and uploaded. But yeah, I'm probably gonna be putting the Walmart part in tomorrow's vlog. But y'all, thanks for watching so much. Merry Christmas Eve 401. It's Merry Christmas Eve. But yeah, make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe. Make sure y'all hit that bell so you can be notified every time I post a video. And please y'all, please make sure y'all follow me on Instagram and on TikTok at Mayoki. You can even go ahead and follow me on Twitter We add Mayoki with 2 eyes. And you can go ahead and add my snap at sweet_12. But thanks for watching and thanks for supporting me, y'all. I have lots and lots of content coming. Yeah, I put concealer on my hair, so don't think I put that too much. But anyway, I have lots and lots of content coming for y'all. And thanks for enjoying me and watching me. Peace.